The Knight of Pentacles sits upon his solid, unmoving horse, surveying a landscape of ploughed earth beneath a quiet sky. As heir of earth, he embodies thought applied to labor, discipline, consistency, responsibility, and the long, steady work that builds lasting foundations. Among all the knights, he alone does not rush forward, and this stillness reveals his character, unwavering commitment and patient strength. The pentacle he holds upright is the first central symbol. Unlike the page's curious regard or the king's unease, the knight grips his pentacle with firm intention. It represents duty, long-term goals, and the disciplined commitment that carries a project from beginning to completion. This is not inspiration, but devotion, work done because it matters. His dark, practical armor forms the second symbol. Plain and sturdy rather than ornate, it reflects durability, seriousness, and readiness to endure. This knight does not seek glory, he seeks results. His armor shows that he is shaped by responsibility, protected by routine, and strengthened by perseverance. The third symbol is the black horse, strong, grounded, and still. Unlike the fiery steed of the other suits, this horse stands ready rather than charging ahead. Black symbolizes instinct and the deep unconscious rhythms of labor. The horse's stillness reflects patience and endurance, the ability to conserve energy for the long journey rather than waste it in haste. The ploughed fields behind him form the fourth major symbol, prepared and fertile. They represent effort already invested and the ongoing work of cultivation. These fields speak of structure, routine, and the repetitive tasks that create steady growth, saving money, refining skills, maintaining health, building stability. The knight stands as guardian of this slow, essential process. The pale yellow sky is the fifth symbol. Calm and unchanging, it mirrors a mind free of distraction. Yellow suggests clarity, practicality, and rational focus, qualities that guide the knight's methodical approach. His perspective is long-term, accepting the horizon as part of his task. Together, these symbols portray the Knight of Pentacles as the embodiment of steadfast progress. He is reliability, patience, and the willingness to show up day after day. He sustains what the page begins, what the queen nurtures, and what the king rules. In readings, he signals dedication, careful planning, persistent effort, or a person known for dependability. He reminds us that meaningful achievement grows through routine, discipline, and the courage to keep going, even when growth feels slow.